So let's say I've got this. This is a designer coaster. I've got this on my table for the last probably 8 years or something. So nothing has happened to it because I maintain it and I clean it. Yes, over the years, see this work that has happened here is also turning black and stuff. So if I were to buy maybe something like this in a sale, which looks really amazing on websites or with vendors and stuff, or on various portals where people get in touch with you and stuff, everything looks the same. But the point is, the moment you kind of get into this question, how long it's going to last for me, what is the maintenance and everything, what is the material and all, you will know the distinction between a super cool brand or a regular brand. Okay, so this is where I'm coming from. So let me share this. When you reach your office, your boss showers you with some praise in front of your peers and stuff, and you know that you've kind of concluded an order, you've had a sale, you've had a great future collaboration happening in your office and stuff like that, and you're taken in as the biggest leadership model in your organization or your setup by people who are associated with you, the vendors, the clients, and stuff like that. You get an applaud. Why this praise? So this is basically because you have actually worked hard, and you've actually stuck to your values and your rational and philosophies and stuff. And without a doubt, your customers know that they've got something which they've paid maybe more for, or this maybe a decent price, but they know that you've instilled confidence in them, and they know that they don't have to go around looking at other people and other companies and brands, because they